Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Sai Tech Guru. In this one I'm going to discuss about the Asus ROG Phone 3. Is it worth of buying right now in the Flipkart Big Billion Day sale or not? The main reason is because the Asus ROG Phone 3 will be available for about 34,999 rupees. So 35,000 rupees during the Big Billion Day sale discount price. And few of the users they actually want to know, is it worth to spend on 1-year-old mobile phone today or not? That's what I'm going to exactly mention in this video. What are the things I did like in this phone and what are the things you should remember before you actually buy this smartphone as well. So first thing is that friends, the phone has got the Snapdragon 865 plus chipset and UFS storage. You do have the 3.1 and LPDDR5 RAM type as well. So this is a 1-year-old mobile phone, so which will be having 1 year, I think last generation type of UFS 3.1 and last generation LPDDR5 RAM type. The phones which are getting this time, they will be having the latest UFS storage 3.1 generation. So there is a difference between previous generation and this generation. That's the one thing you should definitely understand. So I got to know this kind of difference after using few phones. For example, Poco X3 Pro, and I did compare with the Realme X1 Max UFS storage. Then I got to know both phones, they do use the UFS storage 3.1, but still they perform differently because of the old generation. That's the one thing you should definitely understand. But overall, in terms of the performance wise, you should not have any kind of issues with this Snapdragon 865 plus, which is quite similar to the Snapdragon 870 as well, which is present in the iQOO 7 device at this minute. iQOO 7 device and other smartphones, other phones like 870 chipset phones. So overall in the performance segment, this phone is beast. It's a really cool cooling system you do have in this device. That's also another advantage with this kind of performance levels in this device. So for the gaming, you should not worry about this. So if you're planning to buy the phone for the gaming purpose, then definitely this phone can be one of your wish list. That's what I'm going to exactly mention. There are a couple of reasons why I did mention this kind of things, because for the gamers you really require, the first thing is a processor, and second thing is a display which has got really good high refresh rate, 144 Hz 1 millisecond, that's also available. And third is regarding the battery, how much kind of battery you need for the gamers, because you need to play long time gaming, right? So you do have the really heavy battery, which is 6000 mAh of battery capacity. Not only that, apart from that, you do have another one more thing which is called quad Wi-Fi antenna support. That's another fantastic thing, friends, in terms of connectivity. So you should not take this for granted, because you will have really good strong solid signals in this Asus ROG Phone 3. That's what I'm expecting. So in terms of the quad Wi-Fi signals, so I'm not sure why I did not buy this phone. If I buy this phone, I could have got a clear idea of what is going on, but I did not buy this. Maybe in the Big Billion Day sale, maybe I might be able to look to buy this device. Let me know in the comment section below, do you want me to buy or not? And for the gamers, they do have the enhanced gaming experience as well, which is Game Genie, which is present in the Asus phones, Asus ROG phones. So which will be really good advantage for the gamers to see the real-time FPS statistics and all the categories in this device. So along with that, you do get the quad microphone setup. So you will be having really good noise cancellation effect. And there are a couple of advantages like touch inputs, and you do have the support side charger. So 2 chargers will be there, 2 charging ports will be there. That's also another thing. And immersive kind of sound experience. So for the gamers, this is 100% recommended mobile phone. Even though the phone is last year's mobile phone, but still it has got the performance levels. And even the connectivity, everything is really good in this Asus ROG Phone 3. One thing you need to remember, the phone doesn't have 3.5mm jack, and the phone weighs 240 grams. Yes. 240 grams is a weight of the phone. That's the price you need to pay for this kind of gaming phone which has got huge battery capacity. That's also another thing you should definitely understand about this kind of drawbacks in the Asus ROG Phone 3. And we do have the console-like setup option as well, which is also available in case if you want to enjoy that kind of console-like gaming. Other things, for example, there is a camera where you can actually record 4K HDR content, 60 and 30 FPS. 4K HDR content, HDR, not just only 4K HDR content as well. That's also another thing. So regarding the camera also, there's some kind of positive things about the camera, but there are certain drawbacks. For example, as I said, this is a 1-year-old mobile phone which got released with the Android 10. So now it's Android 11 and Android 12 will be the last update for this phone. That's the one thing you should definitely understand. Weight of the phone, not having 3.5mm jack, that's also a slight disadvantage for this device. These are the main disadvantages which I did feel in the Asus ROG Phone 3 at this minute. Apart from that, the rest of the things are really good. Charging speed, 30 watts charger, so that's another little bit. It takes a lot of time to charge the 6000 mAh of battery, in case if you think that's kind of really slow. But overall, in my opinion, according to this price, 35,000 rupees, it's totally worth of buying for the gaming. according to this price, 35,000 rupees. If you use the bank discount cards, ICICI Bank or maybe Axis Bank discounts, you can actually get further discount as well, like 2,000 rupees instant discount, something like that. So you can even reduce the price of this phone if you use exchange offers and everything. But overall, friends, this is the best deal you can actually get for the gaming users. That's what I'm going to declare. And thank you for watching this video, and this is a quick review on this one, and see in the next video. Hopefully, maybe if possible, I'll try to buy it, but I'm not sure exactly at this point whether I will be buying this phone or not. So stay tuned for more updates, friends, and thank you for watching, and see in the next video, because very soon we're going to see the Realme GT Neo 2 also getting launched. So maybe I might be able to buy the Neo 2 device instead of this one, but I'll try to keep you posted what is going on. See you in the next video, and let's stay tuned. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.